in moderate pain, so he would require some form of pain relief, but he does not react well to paracetamol.
Okay, copy that. And what's the seat number on this passenger, please?
The seat number is 19 Delta, 19 Delta.
Copy, 19 Delta, thank you. Just stand by one for the medic position, please.
Thank you. 154, thank you.
Yeah, Receiver 154, this is Dr. Morrison with Medley. And I understand you have a 19-year-old male who recently had an abdominal operation and now is complaining of some abdominal pain. Asking something for pain, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. He has previously had 2 surgeries for an issue with some scar tissue, apparently which blocks his digestive system. He's had 2 operations in the past. The last operation was in September of 2014, and he has now some repeats of abdominal pain.
Right, copy. Have you guys been in the air for a long time?
Yes, we've been airborne about just about 3¼ hours now.
All right, copy. Do you think that the passenger has a fever at all, or he looks pretty stable?
He has a very slight fever. He says he's fluctuating between hot and cold. He's very slightly woozy, mainly because of the pain it would appear. That's causing those symptoms rather than a direct effect of his illness. Just because he's in pain, he's getting a very slight hot and cold fever. But nothing serious in that respect. It's the pain that is the problem.
All right, copy. Do you think that we need medical attention with that destination, or can we just treat the pain?
Well, he is booked on a connecting flight. After we arrive in Heathrow, he's booked on a connecting flight to Oslo. So he will need some advice as to whether to proceed or to stay in London. But if we could administer some form of pain relief now, that would help him.
All right, copy. Why don't we go ahead and give passengers some Temgesic, 200 microgram tablet, and see if that helps him.
Okay, you understand. Administer Temgesic. Could you say the dose, please?
What's me spell it? Oh, no, that's 200 micrograms, or micrograms. Over.
Okay, 200 micrograms of Temgesic. We'll administer that to him, and I'll report if there's any improvement or worsening of the situation.
Thank you, Doctor. And yes, Captain, if you'd like, they can call us from the airport to give us the current update, and we could screen him to see if he should be fit to fly. Of course, if he worsens, call us back before then. Over.
Okay, that's understood. So unless he worsens, I will not call you from the air, and I'll have our staff in London contact you with regarding the situation on the ground. Thank you for your help.
Thank you, sir. Have a safe flight. If nothing further, may I assume.
Thanks very much.
Full pass completed. Okay, speedbird 154, full pass completed. Thank you, bye-bye.